If you want to organize your contacts and trigger automations more effectively, ActiveCampaign lets you create tags and use them to categorize your audience. In this video, I'll show you how to create tags in ActiveCampaign step by step. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. From the left-hand menu, click Contacts, then select Tags to open the Tag Manager. Now click Add Tag in the top right corner. Enter the name of your tag in the pop-up window. For example, you could create tags like Lead, Customer, or Newsletter Subscriber. If you need to create multiple tags at once, you can enter each tag on a separate line. Once you're finished, click Save. Your new tags are now available in ActiveCampaign and can be used to organize and segment your contacts. There are also other ways to create tags. You can open an individual contact profile, find the Tags section, type a new tag name, and press Enter. You can also create a tag directly inside an automation by adding the Add a Tag action and entering your desired tag. Once your tags are created, you can use them to build segments, trigger automations, or send targeted campaigns to specific groups of contacts. And that's how to create tags in ActiveCampaign. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more ActiveCampaign tutorials.